Hi, I'm Brittany Bathgate and I'm going to give you the key secrets to keep your clothing impeccable while on holiday. Tip number 1, take laundry bags. They'll help you separate what's clean from what's dirty. Keep one bag for swimsuits and one bag for clothes that need cleaning. Not only will using laundry bags keep things cleaner, it will help you stay organised and on track of which outfits you have left. Tip number 2, take a spot cleaner with you. As outfits are limited, we can't always sacrifice one in case of a little spill. Should a little bit of ice cream maybe, or some coffee find its way onto your top, then treat it with an on-the-go stain fighter and everyone will be none the wiser. Tip number 3, hang up your clothing. Regardless of whether you wash your clothes in the sink or not, if where you're staying has an outside area or a window, hang your clothes in the sun to kill bacteria the old-fashioned way, with UV light. Tip number 4, use silica gel packets. Yes, I'm talking about those strange little white things that come with your electronic goods. Toss 1 or 2 into your backpack to help absorb any excess moisture from worn clothing. Silica gel packets are lightweight and extremely effective at removing and preventing unpleasant odours. Tip number 5, bring a mini steamer with you. This is probably my favourite tip because even if you pack neatly or use garment bags, wrinkles and creases are inevitable. And I also feel like nowadays it's hard to find a hotel with an iron. So, to ensure that you'll look your best in your vacation photos, enter the portable travel steamer. Possibly the most underrated travel gadget, but a personal favourite of mine. Now you're an expert. These care tips will always be useful when you're traveling and want to keep your clothes in perfect condition. If you enjoyed this content, then please share with a friend to help them get their holiday outfits ready.